Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Screaming Frog custom reports for USA websites, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Screaming Frog custom reports for USA websites, begin by launching the Screaming Frog SEO Spider application. Ensure that you have the most recent version of the software installed on your computer. Next, enter the URL of the USA website you want to analyze in the search bar. Click the Start button to begin the crawl of the specified website. Allow the crawl to complete, which may take some time depending on the size of the website. Once the crawl finishes, navigate to the menu at the top of the window. Select the Reports option from the drop-down menu. From the submenu, click on Custom to access the Custom Report options. Choose the specific type of custom report you wish to generate from the available options. After selecting your report type, configure any filters or settings according to your needs. Once your settings are in place, click on the Export button to download the report. Choose a suitable file format, such as CSV or Excel, based on your preference. Specify the destination folder on your computer where you want to save the report. Click Save to complete the download process. Now, open the saved file using a spreadsheet application for further analysis. Review the custom report data to gain insights into the website's SEO performance. You have now successfully downloaded a Screaming Frog custom report for a USA website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.